In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use formulas in Smartsheet. We'll walk through opening your sheet, entering a formula, choosing where it applies, and using the built-in AI to help you craft formulas faster. By the end, you'll know how to add calculations and logic without breaking your existing data. First, open Smartsheet in your browser and sign in. You'll land in the grid view where you can see your content. Next, head to your workspace. This is where your sheets, reports, and dashboards are organized. Pick the workspace that contains the sheet you want to work in. As a quick tip, make sure you have at least editor permissions on the sheet so you can add or change formulas, and confirm the column types match what you want to calculate, like text, number, date, or checkbox. Open the sheet you want to edit. In the grid, locate the column where you want the result to appear. Click into a cell to get started. When you begin typing in a cell, start with an equals sign. You'll see Smartsheet's formula helper pop up, suggesting functions and fields as you type. This helper is handy for finding function names and making sure your column references are valid. In Smartsheet, you usually reference values in the current row using the @row notation, like column name @row. Now, type your formula. You can calculate totals, compare dates, or build logical statements. For example, you might return a status based on a due date, or multiply quantity by unit price. As you type, the autocomplete suggestions will help you insert functions and column references correctly. If you see an error, double-check the column types and spelling of column names. When you're ready, choose how to apply the formula. You'll see options to apply to cell, apply to column, or create a new column. Apply to cell evaluates only the cell you're in, which is perfect for testing. Apply to column fills the formula down the entire column for all existing rows and keeps it consistent for new rows. Create a new column will make a dedicated calculated column, which is useful if you want to preserve original data in the current column. Before applying to a whole column, consider whether any type values would be overwritten. For now, pick Apply to Cell to preview your result and confirm it looks right. You can also click Build with AI. Describe what you want, like show overdue if the due date is earlier than today, otherwise on track. Smartsheet will propose a formula, review it, make sure the column names match your sheet exactly, and then apply it using the same options. That's it. You opened your sheet, entered a formula, chose the right scope, and tried the AI builder to speed things up. Happy building in Smartsheet.